Hi there. In this quick tutorial, we are going to walk through how to use Microsoft Copilot to support a tiered writing prompt. Perfect for scaffolding student writing from brainstorming to drafting. So let's dive in. So you want to start by opening Copilot, and it can either be a pinned item on your toolbar, or you can access it through Microsoft Edge, Word, or directly from your Copilot dashboard, which is what I did down here. Okay, so you're going to enter into your chat. You also want to make sure that you have the Smart GPT-5 on. It will give you more accurate answers for you, okay? So we are going to type in, I'm working with tiered prompt writing. Can you help me scaffold it for students? Okay, and then you're going to click on that little arrow. Okay, so it might ask us to describe our prompt. Okay, so it's kind of giving us some step-by-step, which is great. Okay, so while it's doing that, we can continue to type, and we're going to now describe the writing prompt, okay? So for example, you might say, the prompt is explore how technology influences identity on, oops, I'm sorry, I have to move this out of my way, in modern society. Okay, and I want students to first brainstorm, then outline, then draft. Okay, so the biggest tip here is keeping it simple and keeping it clear. Copilot will work best when it understands your goals. Okay, so now it's going to create that for us. Okay, and it's going to break it down into stages. Okay, so it's giving us step 1, our brainstorm, step 2, our outline, step 3, our draft, and now it's saying why it works. Now it's also going to prompt us, do you want to design a ready-to-use classroom handout? So these are things that, for each person can be different, but we are actually going to ask it now to break it down into stages. So can you help me create a 3-tiered activity? 1, brainstorming questions. Okay, 2, outline structure. Oops. And 3, drafting guidance. Okay, so it should break us down to that 3-tiered scaffolded activity. Okay, brainstorming questions. And you'll also notice it's giving you some differentiation. Okay, the outline structure and drafting guidance. So it has tips, revision scaffold, and differentiation again. So now it's telling us once more why it is working. Okay, and now we are going to do the next thing. So you can tweak Copilot's suggestions to fit your course level or in particular your goals. And then once you're happy, you can copy the output directly into your LMS, such as Canvas or Blackboard. Or you could put it into a Word document or an email. So you can either highlight, okay, or right here you can hit copy, or you can hit share. It'll ask you, you'll copy the link, and then you can paste it. For example, I'm going to show you. We can paste the link right there, or you can go back. Okay, we're going to close out of this, and we're going to hit copy. Okay. And we're going to go down, and we copied and pasted the entire thing. Okay, so there is that, and then there's also, you can export it as a Word document, a PDF, or into an Excel sheet, or you can create a PowerPoint presentation from here. Okay, so that's it. You have now scaffolded a writing prompt using AI. This is a really great way to support students at every stage of the writing process. So remember to keep your prompts clear, and you can ask for tiered support, and you can customize it individually for your class. Okay, so I hope that this was really helpful. Enjoy using AI to help scaffold your prompts.